Myntri Rangbah ke Sarkar Jylla Konrad Kongkal Sangma Haka khatlai tarik ubenai naitung arjar arpuar ulayathu bagai yingka syri High Court kalakran syai baka Sarkar Jylla kelalaban peniat cakmat ia ke jing Thungkam Thungjam hapok ke Jylla hadin ke jingon ra ia ke roster system hapok pensengau hagelat pathai kubor hanong ba shlong Myntri Rangbah pentip biya kitanat Sarkar ki bahe ki badan kam khambun ki jingtim ki dei nelus nem syahjar khandai spa nyopuar kini kita nak Sarkar gila kami ia kiba bon ba ki kot kisla bat kila shimpor ban lum ia ki thup jing tip haka jing penkre ia ka roster system nak banta ban Pyntikna khaddu ia ke jing Thungkam Thungjam ulong ru ukwa ban keren dak basyai sekipai ba abad ia baro ba menta kam dan syu kano ke Jingwit haka jing Thungkam Thungjam hapo ke Jylla ulong dak ba banrap ru ba ke Jingwit hi kalong tang kawai ke kendon bat kata ka dei bandan no ke roster system Myntri Rangbah ulakula ru ia kipai ba nong song senong jong ke Jylla ba ke Sarkar kala persangkat bala ban Pyntikna bagi tenat Sarkar baro kin wanra no dak roster system kenang baki iki baro kin long biang kumbajulong baro si kata.
So what the situation is that in every department the system is at a different level, and hence there cannot be a one simple yardstick or a solution or a reply to each one. So every department that has completed the roster, they're going ahead with the recruitment. Larger departments which require a bit more inputs because from 1972 till now, so a lot of document has to be looked into. So the departments which are slightly larger and taking more time to get the background and the details are taking a bit more time to finalize the recruitment. But I want to make it very clear to the people and to the press and everybody that there is now no issue of the recruitment process. There is no issue of going ahead with the appointments. The only condition that has been put in is that you have to ensure that your roster is in place. So some departments have done it and they're going ahead. Some departments, because of the fact that they're very, very big and they've got hundreds and thousands of people, and the records in some cases are being very difficult to find because it's like from 1972, 3, 4, 5. So all those aspects have to be looked into, and let me assure everybody that as soon as we're doing efforts to ensure that all departments put the roster system at the earliest so that everything is back to normal.